Installing the second bracket. The next step is to determine the position of the second primary bracket. Use the prefabricated gauge to determine where to install the brackets. The gauge has the width of 2 photovoltaic panels. Once the gauge has been applied to the already installed primary bracket, you can determine the spacing at which the other one should be installed. Prepare the primary bracket and place it in the third hole. This will be your outermost position for the first panel. Skip the middle position for the time being. Fix the bracket with 2 screws. Remember to apply a low torque. There's no need to put the gauge away when screwing down the bracket. It has special mounting holes.